So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome to the final installment of Secure Tech Academy's Linux series. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the exciting world of scripting and automation in Linux. Instead of manually typing commands repeatedly, you can use scripts to automate tasks, saving you time and effort. We'll touch upon bash scripting, the cron job scheduler, and command aliases. Let's get started with making Linux work smarter, not harder. Bash is the default command line interpreter shell on most Linux systems. A bash script is simply a text file containing a series of commands that bash can execute. These scripts can range from simple one-liners to complex programs. To create a basic script, you use a text editor to write your commands, with each command typically on a new line. It's a good practice to start your script with the shebang line #!bin-bash to tell the system to execute the script with bash. To make the script executable, you'll need to change its permissions using the chmod +x scriptname.sh command. You can then run your script by typing --scriptname.sh. Bash scripting allows you to do much more than just run a sequence of commands. You can use variables to store and manipulate data, control flow structures like if statements and loops for a while to make decisions and repeat actions, and even accept user input. For example, a simple script might take a file name as an argument, create a backup, and then compress the original file. Learning the basics of bash scripting opens up a world of automation possibilities. Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like operating systems. It allows you to schedule commands or scripts to run automatically at specific times, dates, or intervals. You can configure cron jobs by editing the cron tab, cron table file. To edit your user's cron tab, you use the command cron tab /E. The cron tab file has a specific syntax for defining when a job should run as seen on the slide. For example, 03 followed by the command path would run the script every day at 3 a.m. Command aliases are shortcuts for frequently used commands. Instead of typing out a long or complex command every time, you can define a shorter alias for it. You can create temporary aliases that are only active for your current session using the alias command followed by the alias name, an equal sign, and the command in single quotes. For example, the alias command on the slide creates an alias of ll that runs ls-l. To make aliases persistent across sessions, you typically add them to your shell's configuration file, usually .bash rc in your home directory. By combining bash scripting, cron jobs, and aliases, you can significantly automate repetitive tasks in Linux. Bash scripting allows you to create custom tools and workflows. Cron enables you to schedule these scripts, or any command, to run automatically, and aliases provide convenient shortcuts for frequently used commands. These tools are essential for system administrators and any Linux user looking to improve their efficiency. This introduction to scripting and automation marks the end of our Essential Linux Commands series. We've covered a wide range of fundamental commands, from navigating the file system to managing users and automating tasks. We hope this series has provided you with a solid foundation for working with Linux. Keep practicing and exploring, and you'll become a proficient Linux user in no time. Congratulations on reaching the end of this Linux Commands series. You've now gained a solid foundation in navigating, managing, and understanding your Linux system through the command line, a truly valuable skill for any IT professional. As you continue to expand your technical expertise, we encourage you to explore our other series on GRC, AWS, regulations, and more. These resources are designed to help you deepen your understanding and mastery of cybersecurity. Keep practicing those commands. And remember, your journey in the world of IT is just beginning. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. And remember, when you sign up, you will receive all the study materials for this course completely free, including outlines, the full script, flashcards, and more. I want to make sure all this information really sticks, so don't wait on that. It's been a pleasure guiding you on your cybersecurity journey, and I can't wait to join you in the next course. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.